देर से ही सही प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को सलमान खान ने आखिरकार जवाब दे ही दिया है। आने वाले लोकसभा चुनाव को देखते हुए नरेंद्र मोदी ने कई बॉलीवुड सितारों से अपील की थी कि देशवासी वोटिंग में बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा ले। लोकसभा चुनाव 2019 को लेकर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के ट्वीट का सलमान खान ने जवाब दिया है और खास बात तो ये है कि उन्होंने होली का दिन चुना। सलमान ने कहा, हम लोकतंत्र में रहते हैं और वोट डालना हर भारतीय का कर्तव्य है। मैं प्रत्येक वोटर से कहूंगा कि वो अपना मताधिकार का इस्तेमाल करे और सरकार चुनने में अपनी भागीदारी सुनिश्चित करे। We are a democracy and it is every Indian's right to vote. I urge every eligible Indian to exercise your vote and participate in making the government. इस मुहिम के तहत नरेंद्र मोदी ने कई बड़े सितारों को ट्विटर पर टैग किया था और सभी ने वोट अपील मुहिम में मोदी को रिप्लाई भी किया था। यही नहीं, बॉलीवुड में अब तक जितने इवेंट्स हुए हैं वहाँ पर भी सितारे पब्लिक से यही रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि सभी वोट करने आगे आए।
I don't think it's just me who thinks that the youth should come out and vote. I think everybody should come out and vote, and this is probably the most important thing that we do every 3 years or 5 years or whenever the elections come. So please सब लोग जाएं और वोट करें because हर आदमी के अंदर उतनी power definitely है that we can make a little difference. So please make that difference and go and vote.
People should exercise their franchise. They should go and vote. I read a quote long back by Khushwant Singh sir that said a bad politician is elected by a good citizen who does not vote. So basically everybody should go and vote.
I think we're a democratic nation and we should all go and vote first. वो बहुत important होता है and then you choose the party that you want. Please. They are talking about politics only now. I am saying they should vote. मैं अच्छा ही बोल रहा हूँ। मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ कि इस बार सबको जाके वोट करना चाहिए। We should have the highest percentage of voters this year.
And वोट किसको देना चाहिए वो बोलो।
वो मैं इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं करना चाहता हूँ किसी को।
मेरा इन्फ्लुएंस होगा ना?
हाँ, मैम का इन्फ्लुएंस होगा।
वोट देना, वोट के लिए तो सबको आना चाहिए because instead of criticizing each and everyone, it is very important for everybody to go and select their party who is doing the best for the country. So it is very important for each and every, especially all the youth, should go and vote.
Oh, to vote, yeah, definitely. If you are of age, I will appeal to all of you to please vote. Go out there, make a choice. Be responsible, vote secular, and yeah, that's all I'd like to say.
The reason why we are a democracy is because we have the right to vote, and we must exercise that right. It's fundamental to us. So instead of being fence sitters and complaining about the government not doing its job, go out there and vote and exercise your fundamental right.
Well, Narendra Modi sir is elected by all of you people out there, so I think everybody's a fan of him.
Yes, I think it's very important for everyone to vote. I think who you vote for is a very personal choice. I think everyone has, various experiences through the government. Some people are positively impacted, some people are not. At the end of the day, I think your country comes first, and your responsibility as a citizen is the most important thing. So yes, I would encourage everyone to go out there and vote.